Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn on blocked screenshot call. So it will help you that no one can take screenshot when you are calling to that person. So without wasting time, let's start video. So before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the emo and then you will see profile icon, click on it, and then you will see setting and privacy option, click on it, and then you will see chat and call privacy, click on it, and you can see the options of block screenshot for calls, so turn it on. When you enable it, all user will be prevented from screenshot or screen recorded on your calls. You will get a notify if the screen was captured. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.